And I'm going to do something like this. Long, long, there you go. Sure, and number 5. No, I like those, yeah. And then I want to do something a little bit more complex. I want to do this one. That's it exactly. Right on. All right, just to make sure we know what the difference. Oh, sorry. Can you do this one? Boom, boom. That's it, exactly. Yeah. So I want to make sure that things don't just come up accidentally. I want to make sure that both of us know what we're talking about. So there is this version, and there is this. What should we call this one? Can we have a name for it? That's peanut butter. Okay. And what's this one? A butter sandwich. Is that what you said? Almond butter. I'm getting hungry. Do you like peanut butter? You like almond butter better? Wasn't that interesting? I like both. Somebody said, I got an almond butter sandwich and a peanut butter sandwich for me. I have to eat both of them. I wouldn't be able to choose one or the other. Just a minute. What do you think your mom likes better? Peanut butter or almond butter?
Almond butter.
Do you like almond butter? It's a universal thing, obviously. So, how about another piece then?
I know that one.
I'm going to listen to it. Right on. Keep it going. Beautifully done. What about? I was hoping you'd say that. Go for it. Go to the end. Keep it going. Alright, so hopefully I get it. You're learning how to play the piano. I have a feeling some days things are totally what I would want them to be, and some days things are, oh, where did that all stuff go that we had the other day? So that's just part of the process. Things are there, things disappear, things come back, we learn some more stuff disappears, some more stuff gets good. Is there one more thing I want to do? I think there is. Elizabeth. Yeah, would you play this one for me once more? And you can do closed position for that. Yep.